FreshBooks is a popular accounting software, and if you're considering it for tax support, here are 12 things you need to know before you make the purchase. While FreshBooks is a solid option, especially for small businesses, it might not always stack up against other competitors. Let's dive in. The first thing to know is that FreshBooks simplifies the process of managing sales tax. It automatically calculates sales tax for your invoices based on your location and customer details, which is great if you want to avoid manual errors. This is one of its strong suits, especially when compared to simpler tools like Wave, which may not have the same robust sales tax support. Next thing is the tax reporting feature. FreshBooks offers an easy-to-understand tax summary report that shows how much tax you've collected over a period of time. While other competitors like QuickBooks do have detailed tax reports, FreshBooks' interface is more user-friendly and designed for business owners who prefer simplicity. The third thing is that FreshBooks supports tax rates in multiple locations, which means it can handle state, provincial, and local taxes across different regions. This is especially useful for businesses that operate in more than one jurisdiction, giving it an edge over some competitors like Zoho Books, which can be more limited in this area. Fourth thing is the ability to integrate with other tax tools. FreshBooks integrates seamlessly with tools like TaxJar, helping automate sales tax compliance. This is a step ahead of some competitors that don't offer this kind of integration, but it's worth noting that if you're doing business in multiple states, TaxJar will cost extra. The fifth thing is FreshBooks' ease of use. Compared to QuickBooks or Xero, FreshBooks is generally considered more intuitive for those without an accounting background. However, if you're looking for highly advanced tax features, QuickBooks may still be the better choice. Sixth thing to consider is its customer support. FreshBooks offers support through email, phone, and live chat. Many users find their support team to be responsive, which can be a big deal when you're dealing with time-sensitive tax issues. But compared to larger competitors like QuickBooks, the support team might feel a little less specialized. The seventh thing is the pricing. FreshBooks is relatively affordable, with plans starting at a lower price point than QuickBooks or Xero. However, it's important to note that to access certain tax features, you'll need to upgrade to higher tiers, which can make the pricing not as competitive for users just looking for tax automation. Eighth thing is that FreshBooks doesn't offer payroll integration in every plan. While it works for basic tax functions, managing payroll taxes will require additional add-ons, which can increase your costs. This is something QuickBooks excels in, with payroll options available across all its plans. The ninth thing is FreshBooks' limitations when it comes to sales tax automation for international businesses. If you need VAT or other international tax calculations, FreshBooks offers some support, but it's not as robust or customizable as platforms like Xero or Avalara, which are known for international tax compliance. Next thing is the reporting capabilities. While FreshBooks gives you basic sales tax reports, it lacks more advanced features that other tools like QuickBooks provide, such as detailed tax rate breakdowns or audit-ready reports. If you need more detailed reporting, FreshBooks might not be enough. The 11th thing is that FreshBooks has a mobile app that lets you manage your tax-related tasks on the go. It's one of the easiest mobile apps to use for business owners, but it may not be as feature-packed as QuickBooks app, which offers more depth in its tax features. Finally, while FreshBooks is a solid option for small businesses looking for simple tax support, it might not be the best fit if you're running a larger business with complex tax needs. Its features are streamlined and user-friendly, but if you need deeper customization, tools like QuickBooks or Xero might serve you better. FreshBooks is a good option for those seeking an easy-to-use, affordable tax management solution. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive, customizable option, we recommend checking out our top-rated solution, which you can try for free.